Home upgrades can be a great way to add value and comfort to your home. However, not all projects are worth the money. Before starting a renovation project, consider how much value it will add to your home and whether that increase in value offsets the project's cost. In some cases, certain upgrades may not make financial sense. From expensive kitchen appliances to unnecessary bathroom fixtures, here are some home upgrades you may want to avoid. Number 1. Expensive kitchen appliances. Sure, high-end appliances may look nice, but they usually have no long-term benefits. You can get the same results from cheaper models, which will be just as efficient and durable. Unless you spend a lot of time cooking in the kitchen or intend to use the high-end features of expensive kitchen appliances, they are not worth the extra money you will spend. The best approach to buying kitchen appliances is considering your needs and budget. If you can find an appliance that has the features you need and is within your budget, it makes sense to buy that over a more expensive kitchen appliance that promises additional features you won't need. Number 2. Unnecessary bathroom fixtures. While bathroom fixtures such as luxury tubs or rain showers may look nice, they are often not worth the money. You can get the same results from cheaper fixtures, which will be just as effective and long-lasting. Installing luxury bathroom fixtures that don't match the overall decor of your home and bathroom will make it look out of place, which defeats the overall purpose of investing in those fixtures. To ensure a budget-friendly bathroom renovation, you have to focus on practical fixtures instead. In fact, you might be better off investing in fixtures that improve the safety of your bathrooms, such as hand railings and additional storage. Number 3. Overly complicated home automation systems. Smart home automation systems can be convenient, but they are often overly complicated and expensive. You don't need to install a complex system in order to get the features you want. More straightforward solutions are usually just as effective and much less expensive. Several home automation systems are currently available in the market at various price points. Choose the system that fits your needs and budget. Some systems might have add-on features, but they aren't a good value for your money unless you intend to use them. Number 4. Overly expensive landscaping. Curb appeal is an essential aspect of your home and can even impact your home's appraisal value. Landscaping is one of the ways that you can enhance the curb appeal of your home. While landscaping can add value to your home, some people spend too much money on it. There are plenty of ways to create a beautiful garden without breaking the bank. Focus on plants that are easy to maintain and cost-effective. You can even opt for DIY landscaping. Make sure you invest the time to care for and maintain your plants to enhance your home's curb appeal. Number 5. Branded home security systems. While branded home security systems may seem like a good idea, they are often overpriced and not worth the money. You can get the same results from less expensive off-brand systems, which will be just as effective and reliable. The best way to shop for home security systems is to check online reviews. Make an in-depth comparison of the various home security systems in the market and their features. Check what features you need and choose the home security systems that offer them. There is no point in paying extra for additional features you don't need, so always consider your needs first. Number 6. Swimming pools. Installing a pool may seem like a great idea, but it is often a huge money pit in terms of maintenance and utility costs. It can also reduce the resale value of your home. Don't be fooled by those swimming pool installers that claim they add value to your home. While it might add to the home value, often, that increase isn't significant enough to make the installation cost worth it. Aside from cleaning the pool and regular chlorination, potential home buyers will consider the structural maintenance of having a pool at home. Think of these various factors before you decide to have a swimming pool installed. Number 7. Hot tubs. The impact of buying a hot tub is a lot like investing in a swimming pool. Buying a hot tub can be a huge waste of money unless you plan on using it very regularly. Not only do they require regular maintenance and upkeep, but they also take up a lot of space and are expensive to operate. If you really want one, it's best to just rent one for a few days or weeks instead of committing to the purchase. The actual cost of running a hot tub will vary depending on the model. Unless you invest in an energy-efficient model, owning one can be very costly. Number 8. Buying expensive windows. Installing high-end windows can be costly and may not result in as much energy savings as you would expect. A recent study concluded that an average homeowner would recoup just 64% of the cost when they sell their home. If you are going to replace your windows, make sure to choose an energy-efficient model to save on energy costs at home. More expensive windows are not always better. It is still the material and quality of the installation that matters. Number 9. Expensive fences. Good fences can make for better relationships with your neighbors. However, most people looking to purchase your home are not going to pay more for extravagant fences. Although elaborate styles, wrought iron fencing, concrete posts, and decorative caps are attractive, they won't provide you with a significant return on your investment. If you install fencing, stick with the fundamentals: white picket or black steel. Number 10. A new roof. While the aesthetic of your home's exterior may not look as nice with an old roof, replacing it without determining whether there is an underlying issue can be a costly mistake. It could be that structural problems are causing the roof to look worse than it is. Ultimately, before investing in a new roof, have a professional inspect the existing roof to determine if any underlying issues need to be addressed. This can help save you money in the long run and ensure your home is safe and structurally sound. The professionals can also determine the best type of roofing material based on your location and typical weather conditions in your area. It's no use investing in a new roof when you don't have the right material, as it can make it prone to damage, which means you need to replace your roof frequently, or at the very least, will require you to spend money on regular maintenance. Make sure to wait for a professional recommendation before opting for a roof replacement. Every homeowner wants their home to be safe and comfortable and look beautiful. These factors can impact the market value of your property. However, you don't need to go the extra mile to spend on home upgrades when you don't need them, or when they have no impact on home value. By avoiding these common home upgrade mistakes, you can save yourself a lot of money and still get the same results. Do your research and ensure you are getting the best value for your money regarding home upgrades. That way, you can be sure that you are making the right decision for your budget and home.